Center has been in operation since the 1970s. We were originally state preservation property, and the city leased the property but didn't have the manpower to run it, so we're a nonprofit organization who has come in to keep it open for education to the public and to the different Duval County school systems. We're partnered up with the school board that we will teach the sciences and ecology parts of their FCAT curriculum. We get lots of people who come out here for animal programs that I facilitate, where we'll teach them about habitats and adaptations and camouflage and where the animals would live. We have streams that border both sides of the property. One of them is spring-fed. So we teach the children about the importance of water quality, and that you can actually test water quality by the aquatic insects and bugs that you find in there, so they get to learn about that. We teach them about the different ways that we can get energy through solar power, through wind power, through water power, like at Niagara Falls and different places. They are really surprised to learn that you can generate electricity to run a city that way, enough to run a city. And so we do educate the public on all of the different environmental issues and different ways to conserve energy.
Thank you.